This video will cover removing and replacing the fender on your Phat. You will begin by removing 4 5mm Allen bolts. 2 will be located on the left shock tube near the brake caliper, and the last 2 on the right shock tube. When installing your new fender, we advise squeezing the side tabs to make sure you don't scratch the replacement fender. Remember to place the bolt through the fender washer before installing. Reinstall the 2 fender bolts on the right shock tube and reinstall the 2 fender bolts through the left shock tube. This completes installation of your replacement fender on your Phat.